Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday about development career and not directly about Laravel. And last week I was approached with a few questions or comments. First, I celebrated 15,000 Twitter followers and I was asked, how do I get rich to your level or something like that? And my answer was simple, just by tweeting a lot of stuff like I did over the years. Similar question I got in a YouTube comment, so how Pavelas reached this level of Laravel and Vue.js? And I didn't study, I practiced a lot. So the most straightforward answer how to get to senior developer or some level quicker is to just practice a lot. But of course there are shortcuts to that, some shortcuts. Before revealing those shortcuts, I want to give you another tip, like psychological tip from those two questions and from others. Don't compare yourself to others. So if you compare yourself to someone who is much higher above you, so if you are a junior developer and you compare yourself to the seniors, it will actually demotivate you because it's such a long journey for you, like years and years of gaining the experience to reach that level. You better compare yourself or learn from people who are a few steps above you, not that much. Then you would be able to compare directly and to question what they did that you didn't and what would be your next step to reach the next level. Not the higher level like seniority, but the next level. So that's a psychological tip. So don't compare yourself to others, and if you do compare to those who are nearer to you than just higher level, like, I don't know, in business it would be Mark Zuckerberg or Jeff Bezos or whatever. Now, what are the shortcuts, potential shortcuts to become senior quicker? First, challenge yourself on any project and on any task. So with every new project, try to deliver something extra outside of your work. Try something new, something more like senior-like. So try stuff like automated tests, like deployment in a better way, like Git branching, like optimizing for performance as much as possible. I'm not saying all of those topics are only seniors. Actually, people learn them on their way, but I mean, seniors think about complex projects, bigger projects, optimization and architecture more than just code. So the more you challenge yourself with tasks related to those topics, to the seniority topics, the better you kind of master them one by one. So my first tip is challenge yourself with every task and every project, even if your direct job or direct managers don't require that. Tip number 2 is analyze the code of the projects that you can consider bigger projects or senior level projects. On my LaravelExamples.com, in the section projects, you may find quite a few bigger projects like Monica CRM, and there are others by Spazi, some of them, which would be example for you how senior developers write the code. And reading other people's code, as I mentioned in previous videos, is one of the best ways to learn. So that's my tip number 2, analyze other people's, senior people's code and try to understand them. And tip number 3 is actually a counter tip, which is don't hurry that much. Everyone wants to get senior level in like 3 years or so, but it's not that much about the years. Who actually cares what is written on your CV or your business card if you have one, or LinkedIn? Even if you are mid-developer or just general developer, there's nothing wrong with that. Of course, it may affect your salary or your, like, I don't know, social status, something like that, but it will take time. The results will come with time, again, with enough practice and with enough challenges that you take more senior-like, it will come. So if you are in like junior or mid-level and you want to reach the senior level and you want to do it quicker, relax. Focus on your current tasks, focus on your next challenges, but don't forget to challenge yourself. And then in some years, you will call yourself senior, or you will realize that no one actually cares what senior you are or junior or general developer. Going back to my previous tip, don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself with your previous self a year ago. Any tips from you guys how to become a senior developer quicker? Shoot in the comments, and see you guys in other videos.